everyone! Let's introduce ourselves. We are from the beauty service team. I'm Raina Sarastika and this is my friend Alicia and Andini. Today we will be presenting our business idea. Kakak, do you want to introduce our beauty service? Okay. Our business providing at beauty business industry producing a treatment from head to toe with affordable, high quality prices. I'm gonna call my friend to introduce this business to Andini. Okay, hello, I'm Andini. So I will talk about this business. We choose this business because these self-care beauties are increasing among students, housewives, and working women who want to look their best while keeping their budget friendly. So my friend Rana will continue the presentation. Okay. So come here, Rana. In our surroundings, you see many salons offering expensive prices but not always providing the best quality. This often leads customers to have trust issues or a lack of confidence in beauty service. In addition, many customers often compare services with other beauty businesses. At the other hand, like students and housewives need the treatment with flexible, comfortable, and economical. So in our business, we have many of various treatments. We have hair treatment, hair color, and cream bath. We provide a various package from bronze to platinum package to suit customer. But other vendors are the use of clear accessories, clean and safe tools, professional service, and affordable prices so that they can be accessible to all groups. Our main target market is university students and housewives around campus and neighborhood. But we choose this segment because they have a high need for beauty service but often have limited budget. Our preparation strategy consists of 3 stages. One is preparation, so we preparing our tools and material from treatment with according the SOP, and then 2 is operational. We provide home service and then mobile beauty service so customer can put their schedule. And then 3 is promotion. We use media social poster and then campus poster. We use to influence campus too, and then local mothers too. Implementation timeline starts from the collection of equipment, service commissioning to the launching of the service within 1 month. And we will use equipment like a towel, scissors, comb, pliers, and stick. And the material we will use like hair cutting, hair mask, cream bath, and shampoo and conditioner. So now I will explain about SWOT. Now first, Strange. Full service from head to foot, strict SOP, affordable pricing. Weakness, new brand, limited tools, and capital. Opportunity, growing self-care trend, collaboration with opportunities with campus communities, mobile beauty service concept, established salons, fast-changing beauty trends, and rising cost of material. This business benefits students and the community through self-care training, employment opportunities, and beauty education. In the future, this business can grow into mini salon and a mobile beauty service with a booking system, creating new job opportunities for the local community.
With this beauty service, we believe we can provide high quality of service with low budget-friendly price for everyone.
And thank you for listening to us.